Realizing the promise. That is what Radiance is all about. The promise that everyone deserves to pursue an education. The promise that education can change students' lives. The promise that students can improve our communities. That is what Radiance stands for. Radiance has raised more than $7.8 million for student success. Radiance scholarships have opened doors for students from all walks of life.
But you give us hope and make us believe that indeed all things are possible. And a strong message that you also pass along, either intentionally or unintentionally, is the fact that everyone who works hard, regardless of skin color, gender, religion, or origin, can get to greater heights, succeed, and realize their dreams.
Radiance scholarships have given hope.
Going to Cleveland State has uplifted me in so many ways, opening my eyes and making my goals entirely attainable. None of this could even be possible without scholarships, especially my Radiance scholarship for the past 2 years, a true lifeline for someone who grew up with nothing.
Radiance scholarships have made it possible.
There's no doubt in my mind that had it not been for my scholarships, especially my Radiance scholarship, I might not be standing before you today. You all make it possible for thousands of students to finish earning their degrees and go back into the world to make a difference.
Thank you for helping students like Samuel, Amanda, and Drusilla realize their dreams. Thank you for committing yourself to student success.